All six metros, mainly Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, and Hyderabad, and most large cities, are COVID-19 hotspots in the list of 170 hotspot districts that was released on Wednesday by the centre. The list marked 123 districts as large outbreaks, which includes all 9 districts of the national capital, Delhi. Mumbai, Kolkata, 9 districts of Bengaluru urban, Hyderabad, Chennai, Jaipur, and Agra were among the areas marked hotspots also on the list. 17 people were arrested in Uttar Pradesh's Moradabad city after health workers and policemen were attacked in Nawabpura locality while trying to quarantine the family members of a patient who died of COVID-19. 7 people, a doctor, 3 medical workers and 3 policemen were injured in the attack. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said the attackers would be booked under the National Security Act. 72 people across South Delhi who came in contact with a pizza delivery man who tested COVID-19 positive have been put under quarantine. None of the 72 people who stay in areas including Hauskhas and Malviya Nagar have been tested so far, and they will be tested if they develop symptoms. Officials say that the pizza man had visited a hospital for dialysis earlier and is suspected to have contracted the infection from there. Delhi government is likely to tighten restrictions, especially in containment zones and adjoining areas, as cases in the national capital do not seem to abate. The government has so far notified 57 containment zones in the city where cases ranging from 1 to several have been reported from. The sizes of these clusters also vary, from apartment complexes to narrow lanes in unauthorized colonies. Possibility of relaxations, officials say, will be considered at a later stage. According to an Indian Express report, till April the 13th, a group of 73 volunteers of the Stranded Workers Action Network were contacted by 640 groups of stranded workers, comprising 11,159 workers across the country. There were distress calls seeking monetary aid and food. A report was prepared by the group which alleges that despite efforts and promises, the state and central governments are stumbling in reaching out to migrant workers. In an email written to employees, Google CEO Sundar Pichai said that Google parent Alphabet Inc. would significantly slow hiring in 2020. He wrote, "We believe now is the time to significantly slow down the pace of hiring while maintaining momentum in a small number of strategic areas where users and businesses rely on Google for ongoing support and where our growth is critical to their success."